to welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to play 3 of these messages. In case you get the message on your answer machine, do not call them back. These are some of the scammers that is calling from India or maybe other country that nears India. So I'm going to play the music and please listen carefully.
No new messages. All message played back.
Hello, this is John from Amazon Customer Service. My employer ID is AMZ2516 and I am calling you about your Amazon Prime account. I wanted to inform you that your Amazon Prime account is being compromised as there is an order for an iPhone X worth $549 for which the card attached to your Amazon account is being charged. We have placed hold on it as that order seems to be fraudulent. So please call us on this toll-free number for 1-888-506-1046. I repeat, 1-888-506-1046 to talk to an Amazon Fraud Department executive. Thank you.
Tuesday, 6:43 p.m.
Renewed with $129.99 from your bank account, so enjoy using Amazon Prime services or continue or unsubscribe the services, then speak to the Amazon Service Manager by pressing 1.
Tuesday, 6:54 p.m.
Number AMZ0987 of iPhone 11 Pro on your account, which is billed on your card attached to your Amazon account. The amount charged in $1,499. We noticed some suspicious activity on your account, so we have put on hold to this transaction. Please press 1 now. And to report, please press 2. Thank you.
Wednesday, 1:22 p.m. End of final message.
So as you can see, all of those messages did not greet you by your first or last name. And then once you listen to it, you feel panicking. And then you want to call them back, but do not call them back. Once you call them back, they will hack your computer, ask you to log in and then take over your computer. So you don't want to go ahead and do that. And sometimes they will trick you, like they pretend they're gonna refund you back the money, like certain $100 for your credit from your Amazon or the iPhone that you order or something, and then other stuff. They will trick you that they accidentally refund you the $20,000. They will ask you to send a cash either through UPS or FedEx. You don't want to do that. Once you do that, you're going to jeopardize your life saving. So yeah, these are the warning that I'm going to give to you guys, and hopefully you guys don't fall for it. Majority, they are targeting elderly senior citizens. So in case you guys haven't get targeted yet, you want to go ahead and share this information to your parents or to your grandparents. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.